Sentence structure number 20. He is either or.
Examples.
1. He is either drunk or mad.
2. It's either your fault or her fault.
3. Either you are wrong or I am. Dialogue.
Do you have the report you promised me?
What report?
You know, your work report.
Either you're kidding me or I'm getting forgetful in my old age.
I think it's the latter.
I'm sorry. I'll hand it in tomorrow. Sentence structure number 21. He is so that.
Examples.
1. I was so interested in the film that I went to see it several times.
2. It's so hot that none of us want to go out.
3. He speaks French so well that we think he is a Frenchman. Dialogue.
Can you believe the weather we've been having lately?
Yeah, it's really hot, isn't it?
It's so hot you can fry an egg on the sidewalk.
Maybe you're exaggerating a little bit.
Okay, maybe it's not that hot, but it's hot enough to get a heat stroke.
You make it sound so hot, I don't want to leave my air-conditioned house. Sentence structure number 22. He is not only, but also.
Examples.
1. He is not only humorous, but also patient.
2. He's not only a good leader, but also an eloquent speaker.
3. I'm not only going to the party, I'm also going to sing at it.
4. Not only do I support you, so do your acquaintances.
Dialogue.
Have you seen the movie Gone with the Wind?
Yeah, I think Vivian Lee is beautiful.
She's not only beautiful, she's also a talented actress.
Yes, I've enjoyed all her movies.
Which one is your favorite?
I like her best in A Streetcar Named Desire. Sentence structure number 23. Help yourself to.
Examples.
1. Make yourself at home. Help yourself to some fish.
2. Help yourself to the refrigerator.
3. Help yourself to some steak. I made it especially for you. Dialogue.
Thanks for inviting me over for dinner this evening.
You're welcome.
It looks delicious.
Well, here, help yourself to some shrimp. It's fresh.
Thank you. It tastes delicious.
Have some more. I don't want you to leave hungry. Sentence structure number 24. How about?
Examples.
1. How about going for a spin in my new car?
2. How about minding your own business?
3. How about those Yankees?
4. What about your holidays?
5. What about his qualifications for the job? Dialogue.
Is it time to get up already?
Yes, dear. It's 6 a.m. You have to hurry up and get dressed.
I guess so. Hey, honey, how about making me a cup of coffee while I hop in the shower?
Sure, dear. How would you like your coffee?
With milk and sugar, please.
Sure, right away. Now take that shower before it gets too late. Sentence structure number 25. How come?
Examples.
1. You forgot to bring your homework again. How come?
2. How come your little sister is so angry?
3. How come we were not invited to the party? Dialogue.
Are you going to your sister's wedding?
I decided not to go.
How come you're not going?
Because I'm afraid that if I go, I'll catch the bouquet of flowers and then I'll have to get married.
Don't be silly. Just make sure you don't catch it.
Hey, that's a good idea. I never thought of that. Sentence structure number 26. How dare you?
Examples.
1. How dare you call me fat?
2. How dare you speak to me like that?
3. How dare he do that to me?
4. How dare you turn him down?
Dialogue. David, more and more money has been missing from the company's funds over the past 6 months.
Really? What's been happening?
Obviously, somebody has been stealing the money.
Who do you think it could be?
Well, you're the accountant. You tell me.
Do you think I did it? How dare you accuse me of stealing?
Sentence structure number 27. How do you like?
Examples.
1. How do you like your new apartment?
2. How do you like your new colleagues?
I love them. They are very friendly to me.
3. How does your mother like the tea set?
Dialogue.
How long have you been in China?
A few months.
How do you like living here?
Great. I'm having a great time.
How do you like the food here?
It's pretty good. I just can't get used to using chopsticks.
You'll get used to them after a while.
Sentence structure number 28. How long does it take?
Examples.
1. How long does it take to get to the station by subway?
2. How long will it take to build the stadium? 3. How long did it take you to knit this sweater?
Dialogue.
Did you finish the assignment I gave you last week?
Sure, no problem.
Really? You didn't think it was difficult?
Actually, it was pretty easy.
How long did it take you to finish the assignment?
It only took a day. My friend and I did it together, so it was easier. Sentence structure number 29. How often?
Examples.
1. How often is there a leap year? 2. How often is there a flight to Shanghai?
3. How often do you write to your parents?
Dialogue.
I've been having bad dreams lately.
Really? How often?
Just about every night.
What do you dream about?
I dream about being in a boat and suddenly a storm comes and I drown because I can't swim.
Maybe you should learn how to swim. Then you won't have any nightmares. Sentence structure number 30. I bet.
Examples.
1. I bet we're lost.
2. I bet he is home now.
3. I bet he will win the prize. Dialogue.
Where's my wallet?
You left it on your desk, remember?
I know, but it's not there anymore.
I bet Sally took it.
What makes you think so?
I saw her hanging around your desk when you weren't there. Sentence structure number 31. I can hardly believe that.
Examples.
1. I can hardly believe that he is deaf. He can understand us so well.
Number 2. I can hardly believe that Paul was put in prison for bribery.
3. I can hardly believe what I have seen. Dialogue.
I have some bad news for you.
What's the matter?
Our company has been having some financial troubles, and we have to lay off some workers.
Really?
I'm afraid so, and you're one of the workers whose job we'll have to cut.
I can hardly believe my ears. I never thought I would lose my job here. Sentence structure number 32. I can't help.
Examples.
1. I can't help laughing every time I think of that.
2. I couldn't help noticing your ring. It's beautiful.
3. I can't help but feel sorry for him.
4. I can't help remembering how beautiful she looked.
Dialogue. So how long have you known Maria?
Only 4 days.
Only 4 days? That's so short, and you seem so crazy about her.
I know. I can't help thinking about her. She's always on my mind.
Well, why don't you ask her out on a date?
I'd like to, but what if she said no? I don't think I could stand the rejection.
Sentence structure number 33. I can't say.
Examples.
1. I can't say for certain.
2. I can't say who did the best.
3. I can't say with any certainty that eating less can be a cure for obesity. Dialogue.
So who do you think will win the NBA championships?
I really can't say. Both teams this year seem really good.
Hey, there's a game on tonight. You want to watch it with me?
That sounds great. Can your brother watch it with us?
Well, I can't say. He said he'd be home late from work.
Sentence structure number 34. I cannot wait to.
Examples.
1. I can't wait to see my family.
2. I can't wait to hear from you.
3. I can't wait to buy a computer. Dialogue. Only 2 days until my birthday. I can't wait. Now don't get too excited. You still have lots of homework to do. I hope a lot of people come to my party. Did I tell you that Aunt Jenny will be there? Really? That's great. Oh, I can't wait to see her. Me too. Okay, now get back to your homework. You still have lots to do before your birthday. Sentence structure number 35. I dare say.
Examples.
1. I dare say you will succeed in the election.
2. I dare say he won't come.
3. I would imagine he's forgotten.
I dare say he has.
Dialogue.
I heard the news this morning about our friend Jim.
Is it true that he will be leaving us to live in Alaska?
Yes, he's going there to live with the Eskimos.
I dare say that's an adventurous thing to do.
Yeah, well, he's going there to teach the Inuit population, who suffer from high illiteracy.
I hope that he will succeed and make friends with the people he'll be with. Sentence structure number 36. I'd like you to.
Examples.
1. I'd like you to fetch some boiled water.
2. I'd like you to send for a doctor.
3. I'd like you to look after my baby for a while. Dialogue.
I'd like you to do me a favor.
What is it?
Can you mail this at the post office for me? I have to go to the doctor for an appointment, and I don't have enough time to go to the post office.
Okay, but can you get something for me when you go to the doctor's?
Sure. What is it?
I'd like you to get some cold medicine. I think I have a cold. Sentence structure number 37. I'd hate for you to.
Examples.
1. I'd hate for you to think I didn't care.
2. I hate for you to miss the party.
3. I'd hate for you to leave our company.
4. I'd hate for you to get sick.
Dialogue.
Do you have the $5 I lent you yesterday?
Oh, I forgot. I'll run home real quick and bring you the money.
You don't have to go right away.
I'd hate for you to think I was lazy in returning your money.
That's okay. I know you're a responsible person.
Yeah, but just the same, I'll go home and get the money right away. Sentence structure number 38. If it hadn't been for.
Examples.
1. If it hadn't been for your help, my experiments would have failed.
2. If it hadn't been for the lifeboat, I would have drowned.
3. If it hadn't been for her careful arrangement, the party would not have been a success.
4. Without my persuasion, he would not have come.
5. Without your financial support, we could not have finished the project. Dialogue. Where's my son?
Don't worry, miss. Your son will be fine. We sent him to the hospital.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Without your help, my son would have died in that fire.
We got here just in time. A minute later, and it would have been almost impossible to save him.
Sentence structure number 39. If there's one thing that me, it's.
Examples.
1. If there is one thing that annoys me, it's people who don't keep their promises.
2. If there's one thing that disappoints me, it's his failure to arrange his time responsibly.
3. If there is one thing that upsets me, it's my forgetfulness.
4. If there is one thing that surprises me, it's his winning the competition.
5. If there is one thing that interests me, it's fashion design. Dialogue.
Is that pesky lady coming into the office again?
Yeah, I'm afraid so.
If there's one thing that bugs me, it's her critical attitude.
Yeah, well, that's her personality, I guess.
But it's so annoying. She makes me feel so stupid sometimes.
Just don't pay any attention to her. She won't stay long.